How to convert data and columns into row in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the column you want to turn rows to. Select it, then right click on it. After clicking on right, simply click on copy. After clicking on copy, click on the place you want to start your row from. Right-click on it. After right-clicking on it, you'll find all these options of paste. Click on Paste Transpose, and as you can see, it's in row. And that's how you convert data and columns into rows in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.